Have you ever felt stuck in life, like you are replaying the same situations over and over again, and no matter how much you try to move forward, or perhaps certain relationship feels heavier than they actually should, filled with unexplained tensions and obligations into your life? This could be a sign that you're still tied to an old soul contract. In this video, we are going to explore what soul contracts are, how they work, and the signs that one might still be influencing your life. By the end, you will know how to identify these contracts, take steps towards releasing and transforming them for your highest good. Hi, I'm Sanskriti Sethi. Welcome back to my channel. If you have been feeling stuck in a repetitive cycle or weighted down by certain situations and connections in your life, there is a chance that you have an old soul contract. Soul contracts are agreements that your soul makes before they take birth on this planet to help you grow, heal, and learn life lessons. While these contracts can serve an important purpose, some may outlive their usefulness in life, leaving you tied to outdated patterns. In this video, we are going to dive into key signs that an old soul contract is still active, holding you back, as well as steps that you can take to move forward. Now, what are soul contracts? Before we jump into signs, let's clarify and understand what soul contracts are. So, they are agreements that your soul makes before coming to earth. So, what is the purpose for the same? To facilitate growth, healing through specific experiences. For example, a soul contract might involve a challenging relationship to teach you self-worth, a difficult situation to develop resilience, a karmic debt to balance your past life actions. Not all soul contracts are burdensome. Some brings joys, happiness, divine connection. However, when a contract is no longer serving you growth, it makes you feel very heavy. Now, I'm going to tell you signs that you are tied to an old contract. Number one, repeated cycles in relationships. You find yourself connecting to similar kind of people, facing same kind of challenges in relationship. This is really a classic sign of an unresolved contract in life. This contract may involve learning lessons about boundaries, forgiveness, self-love that you need to still fully integrate into your life. Sign 2. Feeling obligated without understanding why. If you feel strong sense of duty, obligation, that you're responsible for everything, you're draining and becoming unhealthy with time. It is a soul contract that might be active, which is specifically here to teach you your family dynamics and close certain relationships. Sign number 3, unresolved emotions that will not fade. Lingering feelings of guilt, anger, sadness tied to a specific person or a situation or a kind of a relationship can indicate a soul contract that hasn't been completed yet. Sign number 4, persistent blocks into specific areas of life, whether it's love, career, health, or soul contracts can create energetic blocks that prevent you from moving forward in life. These blocks often feel like invisible barriers. No matter how hard you try to break through, it doesn't break. Sign number 5, dreams and intuitive nudges from past connection. If someone from your past keeps showing up again and again in your dreams and your intuitions, pull you back from a specific person, it is a sign that your contract is still active. Sign number 6, a sense of being stuck without clear reasoning. Feeling stuck in life, especially without a clear explanation, can be tied to a soul contract. These agreements can keep you following the old patterns unless the lesson is learned. And last but not the least, difficulty letting go. Even when a relationship or a situation is clearly over, you might struggle to fully release it. This emotional attachment is very common and can point at unfinished soul agreement in life which needs to be break, closed, and healed now. Now understand that why some contracts stay active. Number 1, unresolved trauma. The karmic energy tied to the contract, it lingers it on unless it is actually balanced. Number 2, resistance to change. Sometimes we resist from the growth that is pushing us through these contracts and we keep stuck. And last but not the least, the unconscious pattern. Many soul contracts operate at a subconscious level, making them hard to identify without self-reflection or guidance from a mentor. Now let's understand how to break free from these old soul contracts. Number 1, reflect and identify the pattern. Take time to journal, meditate, and realize the relationship, the situations that are feeling unresolved. Ask yourself, what lesson is it here to teach me? What what pattern is repeating in my life. Number 2, forgiveness practice. अपने आप को माफ कर देना और सामने वाले को माफ करना दोनों ही आपको हेल्प करता है to release the old contract. Number 3, energy work or spiritual guidance. Sometimes working with a healer really help you identify and release soul contract immediately. Why? Because practices like Akashic record reading, energy healing, guided meditation can actually transform your life. Once you find yourself stable, you can continue doing things in your life that can help you stabilize that energy in life. Number 4, set intentions to release. Always put intent before starting anything. This is how a soul contract with no intent to end keep lingering on and does not allow you to move forward with freedom and love. So last but not the least, focus on your personal growth. Once you identify, the part of the contract, or you start focusing on the lessons that the contract is here to teach you, you are a person who is going to embrace the change, who is going to move forward in life, who is going to heal, forgive, and win the show. Letting go of an old soul contract doesn't mean erasing the past. It means honoring the lessons that you have learned, creating space for new aligned experiences. Remember, these contracts were designed to help you grow, but they are not meant to define your entire journey. By releasing what no longer serves you, you open the door for healthier relationships, greater opportunities, and deeper connections to your true self. So if you have been feeling weighted down by unresolved patterns or relationships, it's your time to take actions. Soul contracts can be powerful teachers, but you have the spiritual freedom in you to release them whenever you want. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to understand your soul contracts and identify how it works, book a session with me. Together we can uncover the energetic blocks and help you step into the freedom and joy. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with someone who might really find it helpful. Let's keep growing and healing together. See you in the next one.